here back with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this U-part wig. This hair is from Lavy hair. It's body wave 18-inch, and I'm gonna have all the details in the description box for you guys. You already know, and I got you with the discount code because honey, we need to save money. Okay, save the coins. So check the description box for all of that. Yeah, this is a super quick and easy like install. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm sorry about my voice. I am sick. So your girl sound like a young man right now, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And we're gonna get right into it. As you can see, I have about 6 braids in my hair and they're all sticking out and stiff, and that's not a look. So we are about to just bobby pin them down. Usually if I was leaving this in for a really long time, I would just sew it down to make sure that it's secure, but I'm not leaving it in for too long, so we're good. And after we bobby pin it down, just make sure that it's super flat. So this is the hair after it's freshly washed. I didn't even put any product in it, and it's like super shiny and cute, so that's a plus. So there's 6 clips, as you can see. 3 of them just slide in towards the back and the sides, and then the top 3 are actual clips. So I'm just gonna start in the back, and then I'm gonna pull the hair up and clip that part on the top. That way the hair kind of has something to latch onto, and it just makes it easier for me to clip all the other parts in. So then I just clip the tops and the sides as well.